For this, we're going to draw an extrude, and we're going to extrude a little bit more of a complex piece, but it's essentially just a rectangle with the rectangle inside that's removed. So the rectangle is going to be it's going to be 4 inches wide by 5 inches tall, and with a 3-inch extrusion. So we'll create a sketch, select the plane, and we're going to draw a rectangle. So I click rectangle. You're going to draw your rectangle that is 4 inches by 5 inches. And then you're going to draw another rectangle. Now this rectangle, if it's not already selected, you need to click corner rectangle. If you don't see that, you have to click the arrow key next to the rectangle and make sure it's center point rectangle. Now if you look at your drawing, the rectangle in the center is 2 inches wide by 1 inch tall. And it's removed all the way through the part. So to do that, you're going to click, again, center point rectangle, click the center of your piece, and dimension your pieces. So again, it's 2 inches by 1 inch. Accept that. And once you accept that sketch, extrude that. And when you extrude, you're only going to select the outside rectangle, and the depth of that should be 3 inches. Click the green check mark, and you have your last shape. Now you could do this after the fact. So for example, if in your sketch you didn't have this rectangle drawn, what you could do is I could draw a sketch, so create a sketch on this face and do the same thing. Draw my rectangle, give it the same dimensions, now the main difference is it's dimension, but it's not exactly snapped in to the center, so we would have to give that dimensions. Right? If this, from center to center, we know from here to here, so half of 5 is 2.5, so dimension that 2.5 from the bottom, and this from top to from here to here is 4 inches. So I'm going to, from the center to the side of the rectangle, I'm going to dimension that 2, so it's centered. So I had to add some extra dimensions, accept that sketch, and then what I can do from here is I can remove that sketch as well. So I can click extrude again, click this, and this will allow me to either add something, right? Or in this case, if I wanted to remove it, I can remove all the way through the piece. Or you could set a specific depth. So if I only wanted this to go through 1 inch down, right, I can add that depth. And that's another way to remove an object.